lips, lashes, and luxury, you ain't got no lips on. Ready to play? Hello Bellas, it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. Before I begin, hello to my baby Bellas as well as to my seasoned Bellas, and to all those who are joining me for the first time or coming back who have not yet joined the Bella Brigade. What are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload. For all of you returning, welcome back. Here is the Sephora Play for the month of November. Now usually I do this in conjunction with my Ipsy. However, this month Ipsy is late, so I decided this month and probably next month I'm going to split up the Sephora Play box from my Ipsy and just share with you my unboxing and what I got for the month. So hope you like this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Without further delay, let's get into the November unboxing. Okay, so as always, they love giving us a Sephora playbook. This gives us the theme for the month, and it also gives us insider points, which I don't see in the front, and I actually don't see it at all this month. So what's up with that? But I did not get my bonus points in my Sephora playbook this month. If you also didn't get it, hit me up in the comment section below and let me know. I don't remember them saying that they were going to discontinue it, but maybe they did. So this month's theme is the Stay In and Play book. And they say, what's better than new beauty, and a night of self-care? So go ahead and put on that mask you've been meaning to try, and then use these puzzles that they give you to enjoy your time with yourself and do some self-care. So I'm going to try to get over the fact that I didn't get any bonus card this month, but I definitely will be asking about it. So again, if you also didn't receive your Sephora Play card, hit me up in the comment section below and let me know. Well, I'm going to just dump all of the contents of the lovely Sephora Play bag, which is reusable. And it is recyclable as well. So if you don't use it for anything, you can definitely recycle it. But if you're like me and sometimes you want to take some travel things and you don't want it to get messed up, these do come in handy. So I like to keep them around, not all of them, but a couple of them, just in case I want to throw something in and I want to make sure that it's secure. So using my Sephora playbook, I'm going to share with you what I got in this month's box. The first one being from a makeup brand which I love. It is Artist Couture, and this is the Diamond Glow Powder in Yes. So it is a subtle sheen, or it can be a high beam gleam layers you use. You don't even have to stick it to just your cheekbones. You can actually put this on your eyes. You can put this on your lips. It is beautiful. And this tone is kind of a rose gold looking tone, which I can actually use today since I do have some rose gold as a highlight on my cheekbones. But it comes sealed, so you just peel off the plastic and then you can use it, and it's beautiful. And I love this size because it really is a perfect size to like throw into your makeup bag, just so you can have something now that the holiday season is upon us. You want to just make sure that you carry with you a little bit of highlighter just for emergencies. You never know when you need to really do up that glow, girl. So the next thing that I got is by Ciate London, and this is their Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. It comforts, brightens, and preps the skin for long-lasting makeup while soothing your senses with the delicious smell of watermelon. So it is a watermelon extract, and it contains hyaluronic acid. It has vitamin E, and it also says it minimizes the looks of pores. So let's just open this up and see what it looks like outside of the box. I love the rose gold packaging of the box. Really cute. And then here is the product. I can see a little bit of the watermelon seeds, it looks like, in here. It's probably sealed, so I can't smell the water. Oh no, it's not sealed. Oh, it does smell very refreshing, but it's got me a little nervous because it didn't come sealed. Usually they have a little safety seal on the opening so that you know it hasn't been tampered with, but I will try it. It does say on the box that it is silicone free, it is pore refining, and it is water based, and it is cruelty free and vegan, so that's cool as well. Ciate has really been stepping up their product offerings lately. I got a finishing powder in, I want to say, my Ipsy that I really love. It's really been one of those powders that I've been reaching for, especially since my Laura Mercier powder, my translucent powder for them. Both my dark one and my light one I'm out of. So I've really been utilizing that Ciate one. This is by Diva Curl. It is their Melt into Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask. It wraps your strands in hydrating matcha butter and almond oil for shiny, nurtured curls that are not weighed down. So I have my curls back, but I have it in a bun today. So let's see if this, nope, this also did not have a safety top on it. It smells divine though. You can definitely smell the almond oil in here. It really does smell good. Okay, I will try it, but I'm telling you now, Sephora, you're making me a little nervous by not sealing off these tubes. I don't know if it's you guys or if it's the manufacturers, the brands themselves, but makes me a little nervous that nothing has come sealed so far. The next thing that I got is by Skin Fix, which I've never heard of, but I believe they're exclusive to Sephora. It is a redness recovery antioxidant redness treatment overnight mask. It calms your skin and visibly reduces redness, which I don't have any redness, so not sure why I got this product. Hopefully it has other qualities in it. It's a leave-on mask, so you can leave it on overnight. This did come with at least a little seal on top. Doesn't really have a pleasant kind of aroma to it, but it does look very thick. Oh, did I share it with you? Let's see. This is what it looks like. Looks very thick, but it doesn't have like a aroma or anything to it. Doesn't smell like anything. Then I also got from Kiehl's the Candula Serum Infused Water Cream. It has flower extract packed water cream, and the Candula flower is in the Daisy family. It has a very nice pleasant smell. It says it's made of micro-sized petals and it's very comforting. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. Oh, it glides across my skin really, really nice. So that's what it looks all seeped into the skin. I tell you, it has a very nice, pleasant aroma. And my skin does look a little shinier. Here it is. So that is by Kiehl's. This is something new, so I have not tried this particular product before. So I'm interested to see how it feels on my face. And if it feels as amazing as it does on the back of my hand, like the back is so smooth and soft. It's all absorbed into the skin and it feels beautiful. And it does have a very, very nice shine to it. And then my bonus is by Versace. This is their Bright Crystal scent. And it says the notes here are flowery, fruity, and musk. It has lotus flower, magnolia, peony, pomegranate, yuzu, iced accord, musk, and vegetal amber. Let's see, the things I'm most excited about in this month's box. I am excited about the Artist Couture because I do like their highlighting powder, and like I said, if you don't like highlighters, you can also use this for your eyes. You can use this for your lips if you like that kind of shiny, kind of iridescent look to your lips with glitter. You can definitely use this for that. I definitely will use it as a highlighter. I'm also interested in the primer and the Kiehl's. And that's it. I mean, as far as the Diva Curl, I mean, I've tried Diva Curl products before. It's kind of hit or miss. I think I have some of this already that I have not tried yet. So I've gotten this a couple of times and I haven't really been moved to try it yet. But if you have tried this and you like it, let me know in the comment section below, and then I will try it. If my bellas say it's pretty good, then I will give it a shot. But other than that, these three here are the ones that I'm most excited about. So out of 6 products, about half of it is what I like. So let me know what you got in your box as well. Would love to hear what my bellas received. If you are getting the Sephora Play, hit me up in the comment section below. Like I said, don't forget to tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And until I see you back here next time, I'm gonna leave you with a video to catch you up on all things brown girl Bella. Deuces.